Purple or purple?
Purple. Purple. Let me have it. Thank you. You like it? Let me hold it for you. You break your teeth.
She's not biting it.
Yes, she will. His teeth.
Where's she?
Way back in the back. Lick it. Lick.
This one's yours. I think it's empty.
Look.
Okay.
You like it?
You want one?
I got one.
Lick it.
She ain't biting it. She ain't biting it, is she?
That's okay.
It's blue, isn't it?
Anna was biting them.
Is it good? Is it yummy?
It's a sucker, not a biter. You don't break your teeth.
Hi.
Allie, say bless you.
Bless you. Goodness, bless you.
She usually says bless you. And Anna fakes it.
Oh, stop!
No, Anna.
I can't take it.
No. Go get the rag.
All right, we'll take this.
Take it to the trash. You take it. She'll take it.
I'm gonna eat it, okay? Can I eat it? Can I eat it? Can I eat it?
Jeez.
No sugar will go to waste.
Uh-oh.
Here, you want me to have it? Here, Allie, let me have it. Let me have it. Let me take that one?
You could have the empty one. Right, Sheldon?
Goodness.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you, Anna.
Look, I see.
A picture.
Yeah, cardboard.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Did you sneeze? Did you sneeze? Bless you. Bless your little heart. Bless you.
Where'd you get that from?
Somebody else we
She
know
just,
was-
Allie, gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna like throw these away.
Somebody left them laying out. I did. Here, let me.
I put them on the couch over there, and then Anna was sneezing, and I thought it was cute.
Oh, I think you faked that time. You need your hand washed. Let me wash
She's
that.
probably pretty good.
She started faking sneezing on her own.
You like that? Look at you got blue lips. Sugar. I wasn't faking. I had something.
Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, I want to keep the rag.
Damn, that's a dish rag.
That's okay. I was gonna. It's dirty anyway.
You know, every time I do something, it's wrong.
The blue rags are for wiping everything else.
This is good for wiping that too.
Gosh. Don't stand in there. It's gonna have carpet fuzz all over the marshmallow crispy.
Oh well.
Put this on the plate.
They've ate worse.
Oh my goodness, it was stuffed with carpet. There we go. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. She's pretty good at faking it, isn't she?
Y'all are wearing me.
Goodness.
What are you puckered for?
Oh, you got lipstick on? Whoa.
Uh-oh. Look, you know where this horse goes? You know where the horse goes in here? Here's the house. Where's the horse go? You know where the horse goes?
Put it on the plate.
Look. You know where the horse goes?
You're gonna sneeze
Look,
yourself
look.
to death.
The horse goes right there. You want me to take this? Your tongue is purple. You look like Mr. Potato Head.
She's gonna give herself whiplash.
Oh!
You're silly girl. You silly
Look.
girl.
Look.
It's like, I'm working on my acting career. She's got the crying part down.
That's not where the horse goes. Is that where the horse goes? Watch this. Give me the girl. Where's the little girl? Look, watch this. Watch. Here. Look, put him in the bed. Put her in the bed. Put her in the bed. Put her in the bed. Now lift this up. Lift that up. Lift it up. Now lift this up. Watch.
Can you do that?
Put her in the bed. Look, lift this up. Lift this up. Now, lift this up. Lift this. Take the yellow. Lift it up. Okay. Is that supposed to do this?
What?
Watch. Watch. Put her in the bed. Put her in the bed. All right. No. Lift this one up. Lift this up.
Yeah, but it's yeah.
Watch.
It's supposed to do that. Bless you. She's gonna sneeze herself.
All right. Now lift that up. Lift it. That's it. Boom. Get out of bed.
Can you give me a kiss?
Lift it up. Get out of bed, sleepyhead.
Thank you. Thank you. Give me a kiss. You smell like chocolate.
Boom.
Did you
funny.
sneeze?
That's funny. Put him in the bed.
Kyle, this kid's sneezing to death over here.
Purple. 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 Can you say purple? Purple. You want me to take it? All right. I'll take it.
Can you do that?
You can tell me.
Yes.
Open up. Open up. Close up.
Achoo! I don't want it sticky in my hair.
Mm-hmm.
No. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tickle your belly. No.
She just comes down. Put her in the bed. All right. Wake her up. Wake her up. Oh! She landed on her head.
Anna, no. No. Anna, no.
Oh.
Eat it.
Why don't we make some syrup? That'd be great.